We love the idea of making a backyard bar.
I mean, what's there not to love
about really,
a backyard bar?
And in Texas, you for sure need that.
It's an essential.
We found this table base, and so we thought it would make a great addition to our backyard at the Wonder Inn, and put a sink in it and make a little beverage bar.
It's actually the perfect height, because it's kind of counter height instead of being a little bit lower. The top's already gone. We don't even know where the top ever was.
We never had the top. So
we're just going to repurpose this base instead of trashing it and turn it into our backyard bar. The first step in converting this into your backyard bar is to get all of your measurements. And as Dad always says, measure twice, cut once. So we're going to get all the measurements, make sure we have a sink that is the right size that'll fit inside here, and then go search through our wood pile and find some wood to make the top out of. We found some salvage wood in the barn. We measured it and cut it to fit. So Amie and I found this old turquoise sink years ago. We fell in love with it. We had to buy it. We've been saving it for a long time because it really doesn't work for a house. It's super rusty. It already has holes, but it does work for this. It's going to be perfect. Typically, when we put a sink into a piece, you probably build a solid tabletop and then cut a hole out. We're going to do it a little bit differently this time. We're going to put our wood pieces in and then set our sink down. We're not actually cutting any wood out of the middle.
Now that we've got this screwed down, we're going to place the sink.
It's looking good. So then you nestle this last piece just right under the flange of the sink, and then you're going to screw that one in. Okay. Looks cute. So now that the sink is in, there's a lot more steps left. We're going to do some sanding now, so I'm going to mask up.
We're done sanding, and now we're just going to add a few finishing touches.
And no bar is complete without a bottle opener, so that's going to be the first thing we add.
Okay.
All right. There's so many things that you can add to kind of make it your own. You could add cutting boards, you could have a different type of top that you can cut on. The most important thing, though, I think you need to add is cold beer.